Welcome. In this video, we'll quickly go through how to go to a message from sent documents on WhatsApp Web using the new update. If you've ever shared a file and later wanted to trace where exactly that document appeared in your chat, this update makes it super simple. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. You can do this by heading to the WhatsApp web page in your browser and linking your phone if you haven't already. Once it's open, you'll see the familiar layout of your chats on the left side and the selected conversation on the right. Next, look at the left-hand side menu. You'll notice a small media icon there. Click on that icon to open the media section. This area shows all the media you've sent or received, including photos, videos, links, and of course, documents. From there, click on Docs to switch to your list of sent and received documents. This is where all your shared files are neatly organized. Now, at the top of that window, you'll see a sort icon. Click it to reveal a few sorting options. Here's the key step. Choose You from the options that appear. This filter displays only the documents that you personally sent. It's an easy way to find files without having to scroll through everything shared in the chat. Once you've found the document you're looking for, right-click on it. A small menu will pop up with different options. Then simply select Go to Message. WhatsApp will instantly take you to the exact message in the chat where that document was originally sent. You'll see the message date, your text if you added any, and the file, all in context. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can now locate any document's original message on WhatsApp Web. No more endless scrolling or guesswork. This new feature makes file tracking faster, cleaner, and far easier to manage. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for watching.